Right now, you are legally blind in one eye, but your brain is actively hiding the truth from you.
Don't believe me? Right in the center of your field of vision, there is a literal black hole. Scientists call it the blind spot, the exact place where the optic nerve connects to your retina. There are absolutely no light receptors there. Just a blank space, total emptiness.
But why don't you see a massive black circle floating in front of your face? Because your brain is a master con artist running Photoshop in real time. It steals the textures from around the hole and glues them over the void. You aren't looking at reality. You are looking at a live, deep-faked stream. And that's just a tiny fraction of what your mind deletes to keep you sane. Look down right now. There is a massive object blocking your view. Your own nose. Your eyes see it 24/7 with no breaks. But you didn't notice it until I pointed it out, did you? Your brain simply edits it out. It's a hack called sensory adaptation. Imagine the sheer processing power required to censor your own face. But what happens when this biological software glitches out? You walk into a room and instantly forget why you came there. Sound familiar? You stand there, blinking like a Sims character whose action was suddenly canceled. Psychologists call this the doorway effect. It's a literal bug in your mental cache.
Passing through a frame sends a command to your brain. Wipe RAM. It assumes the old environment is irrelevant, dumping your previous thoughts into oblivion. But that's nothing compared to how the physical world bends around your focus. Have you ever learned a rare new word and suddenly, boom, you hear it everywhere? Or you think about buying a specific car and it suddenly appears at every intersection? Relax, the universe isn't stalking you. It's not a secret conspiracy. Welcome to the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, the frequency illusion. Your brain filters terabytes of data daily, throwing 99% into the trash. But the moment you focus on something, the system tags it as critical. Now, it unfilters it, highlighting it in every crowd. You are programming your own reality. If your mind can play tricks with what you see, what about time itself? Time is the biggest lie your subconscious has ever told you. Remember how childhood summers felt endless, but now years flash by like weeks? We think time is physically speeding up, but it's just your internal archiver acting up. Your brain doesn't measure time in minutes. It measures it in new data packets. When you're young, everything is a brand new discovery. Memory tracks everything in high def. When you look back, that summer feels massive because the file size is enormous. But adulthood? Wake up, commute, screen, eat, sleep. Total repetition. With no new data, your mind compresses your weeks into a tiny zip file. Why waste storage on the same exact drive to work? It just deletes those days. You look back at December and think, where did the year go? It was compressed. But you can actively trigger a glitch to freeze time right now. Have you ever looked at a ticking clock and the first second seemed to last forever? That is chronostasis, a literal pause in your biological perception of time. When your eyes move from one point to another, your vision actually goes black. To prevent you from seeing a motion blur, your brain pauses time and extends the next frame backward. Your mind alters your past timeline just to keep your present visual feed smooth.
Subscribe. To be continued.